Imagine waking up to find your crypto investment up by 500%. Now, what if I told you 3 underrated coins are about to do the same, maybe even more, in 2025? And no, it's not the usual suspects. Today, I'm revealing 3 crypto coins that are set to explode. Let's start with Tao Bittensor. You probably haven't heard much about it, but this coin is one to watch. It's revolutionizing AI in the crypto world. Tao Bittensor is building a decentralized AI network. Essentially, anyone can contribute their processing power and earn crypto rewards. It's like building an AI ecosystem that gives back. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. During this bull run, Tao could shoot up to anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000 per coin. With AI becoming a massive trend, Tao Bittensor is perfectly positioned to take advantage of it. Alright, so we've got Tao Bittensor shaking things up, but let's talk about a coin that's already well known but is about to take it to a whole new level. This one is coming for big gains too. Now, onto Solana. You've probably heard of it, but here's the twist: Solana is ready to hit $1,000 in the next bull run. Solana has already proven itself with fast transactions and low fees, and its NFT and DeFi communities are growing like crazy. But the upcoming upgrades and developments are going to propel it even further. 2025 could be Solana's year, and if you get in now, you could be sitting on some massive gains when this bull run hits full speed. Alright, so we've covered Solana, but what about a coin that combines AI and blockchain with huge growth potential? Stick around, because the next coin could 100x your investment. Next up is Hypertensor, and this one might surprise you. It's blending AI, machine learning, and blockchain to optimize data storage and processing. Why is this important? Because the world is moving toward data-driven technology, and Hypertensor is positioning itself as a leader in this space. Right now, it's sitting at about $13, but if the market and attention turn in its favor, this coin could easily 100x during this bull run. With its cutting-edge tech and growing demand for data optimization, Hypertensor has massive potential. So now that you know about these 3 coins, you're probably wondering, how do I get in before they explode? Don't worry, I've got you covered with some tips on how to invest smartly. Here's the deal: when you look at Tao Bittensor, Solana, and Hypertensor, you're not just looking at coins with great tech, you're looking at the future of crypto. Solana could easily hit $1,000, and it's got the momentum to carry it there. Tao? It's positioned to reach anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per coin, riding the AI wave. And then there's Hypertensor, currently at $13, but with the potential to 100x if the demand for its tech grows. These aren't just coins. These are game changers for 2025, and if you don't get in now, you could miss the ride. And don't think that's all. I've got more coins lined up for my next video, so make sure you don't miss it. If this video got you hyped, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more crypto gems for 2025. Also, hit the like button if you're feeling these picks and drop a comment. Which coin are you most excited about?